loves, and welcome back. So good morning. Get ready with me. I've already taken a shower. I've tried to push back my edges with some got to be gel. I'm gonna go glue my wig pretty quickly because I literally have an hour. I'm running late, and then we're gonna do some quick makeup. It's 9 o'clock. We have to be done by 10 strictly so that I can actually drive at least quarter past 10 to about quarter past 11. We need to be that side. All right, so let me go glue my wig and we're gonna be back, guys. Welcome. If you have not liked, please subscribe, tell your friends to tell their other friends to come check out what we got. We're getting ready for the YouTube Black Future Insiders event, which is taking place today, and I got an exclusive invite. So yeah, yo guys, I actually had an emergency. That's what led me to be late, but I showered, went out, and I came back. So let's just get this wig on so we can go. Okay, we're wearing a plain straight wig today, no styling. Gonna do some makeup, little black number, and we are out. I just thought while I allow my glue to dry, let us just open up, just remove the protective plastic wrap so that when I am going through my makeup, okay, we do not waste time. So this is the Foschini bronzer. I hope you guys can see. Let's open this one up for you guys to see. Okay, cute. So it's got like this nice sponge on the inside. Okay, and then it's got like a plastic okay, I'm just gonna try open this. Okay, so in the meantime, let's unbox everything else. That's the Foschini eyebrow stamp. I feel like my brows need to be properly shaped for this trial, which we'll try this weekend. We are just removing all the plastic wrap, right? So that just putting some glue, guys, allowing my piece of glue dry up before laying my wig. I'm only doing one layer because it's not that serious. Okay, we've also removed the plastic wrap out of that, and then here's the powder. How did they put this one? Okay, whoops. Okay, I'm gonna need to get some help with that. And then this is simple. Let's just take it out the box and see what it looks like. I think that would be very nice to check out. Okay, here's this dual mascara and liquid eyeliner. Guys, my nails are so old. I need to have them removed. Okay, I'm gonna soak them off myself. Ooh, would you look at that? Okay, so it's dual. It says the eyeliner on this side and mascara on this side. So when you open this side over here, this is cute. I think I'm gonna enjoy using this today. Okay, then we've got the mascara. We're gonna just put on some mascara before I okay, let me go get some help with this one over here, but I'll be back. Okay, so we're just removing all the packaging, so when it's time for me, I shouldn't be struggling. Okay, while we allow this glue to dry, this adhesive to dry a little bit. So I just did my brows and my eyeshadow off camera, right? So we're gonna go in with the eyeliner, the Foschini eyeliner. It's the dual eyeliner and mascara, right? I just want to eyeline where I'm gonna be sticking my lashes on. Okay, so we're trying this out. Ooh, this has a very nice, it's easy to apply, right? And the liquid eyeliner comes off so easily. Okay, I'm not going to be doing a cat eye. Nice layering over here. Okay, and then I'm gonna do it on the left. So what I'm gonna do is I also like to go in with mascara first before I stick my strip lash right above my lashes, because I put in not foundation, some eyeshadow. It does follow my natural lashes and it creates like, since I use some light colors, you can see them on my lashes, so I don't want this color on that to show under my strip lash. So I'm gonna go in with mascara. So we're gonna use the eyeliner over here. Okay, I'm just gonna dip it back into the jar to get some liquid again. But this is nice and easy to use. Okay, I don't want too much. All right. There we go. Okay. Okay, there we are. While that's drying off, I'm gonna close this, and then we're gonna use the mascara side of this Foschini dual stick, right? And we're gonna just reinforce our natural eyebrows and remove some of the product that literally fell when I was doing my eyeshadow. Okay, I don't want that being visible. I do not want that getting visible under my strip lash. It doesn't look good. Okay, I generally don't like to outline my eyes at the bottom. Okay, there we are. Okay, so now I'm gonna grab some glue and put in my lashes. We're gonna be wearing the Mashabangu lashes. Okay. Okay, there we are. This is cute. What do you guys think? I love the eyeliner. Absolutely love the eyeliner. And the mascara is also doing some beautiful work over here. We've gotten rid of that eyeshadow powder that fell on my natural lashes. So now we can stick our lashes on there and then move on with our makeup. Okay, I'm gonna be back shortly. Let me just go put my lashes on, and I'm gonna do that off camera. So guys, I've just put my lashes on. We're gonna go in with the Foschini, okay, mattifying makeup primer, right? And I'm gonna pump, let's see, let me pump some on my face. Let me just see if I'm doing it right. There we go. So there is the gel over there. I'm gonna pump some. It's nice. It's got a nice texture to it. Okay, and I'm gonna also grab this, take it over here. We are going to this nice texture. Okay, we're just priming our face now to prepare to just lay our foundation and. So I'm also gonna go off camera now and just take off my band. Absolutely love this. I'm gonna let this just sit in for a minute or two while I clean my edges, like the adhesive. Okay. But it's got a beautiful texture to it. I absolutely like how it sits on my face. Very, very, very smooth. Super smooth. So let's just go get rid of this band and come back. Guys, so my wig is giving me a tough time. I think because I'm brushing the ends more. Okay, there's a brush missing. I'm coming back. Honeys, I'm running late. Everything is everywhere. Guys, oh my. Hey loves, I am running late. I just used some banana powder, so I'm dusting that off. And we're gonna try the Foschini face powder, okay, to see how that works. Let me see if I can open this. So I've got the bronzing pearls and yeah, the face powder. So we're gonna just run some face powder. Okay, I'm gonna need help. I'm just gonna need help opening up the container. So I eventually managed. Okay, careful when you open this up. I think I might be opening it up wrong because it's got like these I think holes, and there's like a covering, a protective plastic covering. So this might be a little bit too light, this shade. So I'm gonna just lightly dab my brush in there, then brush it off because I don't want too much face powder, especially if my skin is slightly lighter. So okay, don't overuse. Okay, like I said, dab, then dust it off. Dust it off lightly. Okay. Okay. That's what we're doing. We're not doing too much. Then I'm out of time, and my wig install has been trying. Okay, so let's do some blush. Last but definitely not least, we're going to be using the Foschini On the Horizon perfume, and this is a pocket perfume, so it's going straight into my little handbag. When we are done, I am panicking because I'm late, but this is your girl. Got these little cute earrings on, okay, and it's time for us to leave, and I'm gonna give you some cam of what I look like. Okay, child. Let me open this up. So we finally just opened up the box. Like I said, this is a pocket perfume. Okay. How cute is this? And it's gonna fit so seamlessly into like my handbag. So we are gonna get a nice little put some on our arms over there. Okay. Girl, gotta look and smell good. Yeah. Okay. People wanna be like, you smell so good. What you using, girl? Got something simple from Foschini. Okay. Not too much. I'm gonna put this. I'm not gonna put it back in its box. Just gonna drop it in over there. Drop all the little weird things that I need, and we are good to go. Okay, this is our get ready with me. Okay, our look, our makeup look. Okay, it's sponsored by Foschini Eastgate over here. Send us makeup items, and we tried our best to do our best. So let's go. It's 10:52. I'm supposed to be all the way in Sandton. I have an hour, and I'm supposed to arrive 30 minutes before, so to get in. But anyways, let's go. See you guys on the flip side.